In this video, we will explain the law of cosines and how it helps you solve triangles. Let's begin. We use the law of cosines for oblique triangles, or triangles that do not have a 90-degree angle. There are three versions of the formula, depending on which side you're trying to find. If we are looking for side C, c squared equals a squared plus b squared minus 2ab, cosine of angle C. For side a squared equals b squared plus c squared minus 2bc, cosine of angle A. For side b squared equals a squared plus c squared minus 2ac, cosine of angle B. You'll notice they all follow the same pattern. The formula just changes position depending on the unknown. Now, when do we use this? There are two main cases. First is SAS, when you are given two sides and the included angle. Second is SSS, when you are given all three sides and you need to find an angle. Let's look at an example. Example 1 SAS. Suppose A equals 6, B equals 8, and angle C equals 60 degrees. We want to find side C. We substitute the values into the formula. C squared equals 6 squared plus 8 squared minus 2 times 6 times 8 times cosine of 60 degrees. Now simplify step by step. 6 squared is 36 and 8 squared is 64, so we get 36 plus 64 equals 100. Next, this part is equal to minus 96 times cosine of 60 degrees, or negative 96 times cosine of 60 degrees. Since cosine of 60 degrees is 0.5, this is equal to negative 96 times 0.5, which is negative 48. Now, combine 100 and negative 48. This is equal to 52. That means c squared equals 52. To get c, we take the square root. Square root of c squared is c. So, c is equal to the square root of 52, which is approximately 7.21. And that's how to solve SAS. Now let's try another example. Example 2 SSS. This time, A equals 5, B equals 7, and C equals 9. We want to find angle C. So let's use this formula. Now substitute the values. 9 squared equals 5 squared plus 7 squared minus 2 times 5 times 7 times cosine of angle C. Let's simplify. 9 squared is 81, 5 squared is 25, 7 squared is 49. And this part becomes minus 70 times cosine of angle C. Now we have 81 equals 25 plus 49 minus 70 times cosine of angle C. 25 plus 49 is 74, so we get 81 is equal to 74 minus 70 times cosine of angle C. Subtract 74 from both sides of the equation. 81 minus 74 is 7 and 74 minus 74 is 0. On the left side, we are left with 7. On the right side, we are left with negative 70 times cosine of angle C. Divide both sides by negative 70. 7 divided by negative 70 equals negative 0.1. So cosine of angle C equals negative 0.1. Now take the inverse cosine. C equals inverse cosine of negative 0.1. This gives us approximately 95.74 degrees. And that's it. Now you know how to use the law of cosines to solve triangles in both SAS and SSS cases. Try a few examples on your own, and you'll get comfortable with it very quickly. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.